gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my second BoxFlipz Amazon Returns mystery box. Now, for those of you who missed my first video, I have a link to that video in the description box below. Now, BoxFlipz is a liquidator, and they buy Amazon returns, but what I like about them is they don't open their Amazon boxes. So you are getting a completely sealed box that came from Amazon. Nobody's cherry-picked it. They don't know what's inside. They're going to be just as surprised as you are. So I think that's pretty cool that they don't open the boxes. And I have not been super disappointed by any of the boxes yet. Now, I've gotten better boxes than the last box that I got, but it was still worth the money. He's running a sale right now. Instead of $200, they're $100. So I'll have a link in my description box for those of you who might be interested. But without further ado, let's see what's in the second box. Okay, guys, so my curtains are moving and everything because I did just go ahead and open the flap. So for those of you who didn't see my first box, this box is starting out very similar. So it looks like I have another one of those throw pillows. I'm not going to open this, guys, because this is the exact same one as the one that I already opened, and I don't even know if I'm going to use the one that I opened. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's just a solid big throw pillow. So I mean, that's great, but I just don't know that I can use it because I don't think that it's the right size for me. Okay, let's start digging in. What? Water and ice refrigerator filter. Okay, I mean, this is great if it would be the right one for my refrigerator, which I don't know that it is. I mean, I have to look and see, guys. I don't know. But yeah, there's that. So let's move on to the next. What is this? It's a letter or a number or something like that. It's a number. Okay, hold on. Open it up here. Okay, so it does go this way. The number 6. My son will be 6 this year. I could use it for his birthday party. Seriously, I probably will do that, actually, because he is turning 6 this year. So, you know, there's a purpose for it, I guess. All right, what else do we got? A light bulb. A 200-watt light bulb. 200 watts, guys. That's a lot. I mean, that's pretty darn bright. I'm going to try it in here. I don't know. There you go, 200-watt light bulb. Okay. No idea. Guys, and I forgot to pick my scissors up. I dropped them in the last video. I'm going to pop down and get them. So hang on a second. Because they're right here. I see them. I should have picked them up before I started opening this. But, you know, I didn't. So there you go. What is in here? Oh, my goodness. They really have this taped shut. Oh my goodness. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? HR Express. Oh, so it's just a bill organizer is what it is, because it has like coupons, insurance, receipts, service, that kind of thing. So it's like an organizational thing, which I need to get organized, but you know, I'm not that excited about it. Oh, this is cute. Oh, happy birthday, Cars. That is cute, guys. So this is like a birthday pack for a Cars party. I don't know exactly what it all is, but yeah, that's actually quite cute. So then we have this. Are these masks? Please tell me they're not masks. I don't think they are. Okay, no, it's not. But what is it? I don't know. It's for a small child. I have no idea, you guys. Like, I don't know how this goes. Is it like a hood thing? I have no idea. It's for a small child. So, you know, there's that. Does it say what it is? Oh, it's a baby swaddle blanket, 0 to 3 months. I don't have any babies that are 0 to 3 months, but there you go. Okay, what's this? Mystery. Complete and total mystery. What? Oh, cute. So oh, cute! Look at that! Oh, Princess Pals, My Little Pony. You guys, how cute is that? That is just darling. So I could totally put this out for my duck pond. Some kid would be super excited to have it. But this one's broken. Should I fix that first? Yes is the answer to the question. But I'll fix this, you know. Maybe that's what was returned before I put it out for my duck pond. But it'll be cute for the duck pond. So, not mad at that. Oh, I see a Funko Pop. Stop it! Oh, so exciting. Okay, sit that there. I'm not going to do it right now, the Funko Pop, but there's this. I see it though. So exciting. Okay, this one's already much better than the other one. Okay, so this is just a big blue blanket. Okay, just a big blue, nice plush blanket. I'm not mad at that either. All right, set that aside. What is this underwear? Why do they put underwear? I don't. It is, and I'm not going to hold it up. That's what that is, though. What is this? A mouse trap. Yeah, I won't use that. It's completely sealed. It is a mouse trap. I don't kill mice like this. I can't bring myself to do it, but I know it's rodents, blah, blah, blah. I get it, but I can't do that. So I won't use that, but maybe if somebody... Thanks for giving this product a second life. What is it? Dun, dun, dun. Looks like another exercise thing. So maybe some people had some New Year's resolutions that they didn't keep. I don't know. These are exercise bands. They're like resistance bands kinds of things. Now I'm actually kind of excited to have, that's exactly what they are, resistance bands. All right, I'm not mad at that. And I might actually use them because I might be one of those people that attempts to get in shape this year. Okay, we got a watch. Yeah, it's just a watch, guys. Should I even bother opening it? Are you guys excited about a watch? There's a good bit more stuff in here, though, than the other ones, so that's good. I didn't break it, though, did I? I hope I didn't. I think it'll just go back on. But, yeah, it's just, like, a watch band. See that? It's, like, metallic, and then it has the little watch face there. Okay, so I'll set this aside because that could go for my duck pond as well. What do we, oh, it is another doggy toy. So I will give this one to my mom as well because, again, my dogs don't play with them. Oh, there's another one too. It looks like, oh, it's cheese curls. That's funny. Yeah, I'll give those to my mom to give to her doggies. What do we have here? Ice and water refrigerator filter. What is with the refrigerator filters, guys? Again, I just don't know that this will work for my fridge. If it will, fantastic. But, you know, if not, then I guess I'll find a fridge that it does work with. Okay, so we have a phone case. You usually do get a lot of these in some of these. I'm not mad at it, but I don't need it. So I'll put it out for my duck pond. It's Arista 5 Plus. I don't know what that means, but yeah, there's that. I'm not going to pull these out. These are just a couple of watch bands. Not exciting at all, so I'm not going to pull them out. Ooh, wig. We have a wig. Let's see what kind of wig. It doesn't look that exciting. I'm just saying. Oh, it's just like an Afro puff drawstring. But it's not even a pretty one. Look, it's not even pretty. It'd be different if it was pretty. It's not even pretty. Like, it's just, this poof goes on like the top of your head. I mean, I can see why it was returned, but yeah, that's not very exciting at all. So, yeah, there's that. All right, what do we have here? Elmer's glue. Oh, hang on, I'm running out of space, guys. Yeah, it's just scented Elmer's glue. Okay. I mean, I could use this or I could give it to the school. Either way, it will get used. It's saying it's scented. Can I? Oh, look at that, guys. Ugh. Yeah, it's definitely scented. It smells good. All right, so there's 2 of those, but, you know, I don't want to throw those down because it looks like they might be leaking a bit. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. What is this? I don't know. Hang on, guys. I have to cut it open. I don't want to. Okay. This is heavy. A shelf or something, I'm guessing, because there's like quite a few of them in here. So I think these would go like this, right? And you put the shelf on top. So that's what these are. That's not bad. And I definitely can use something like this. I'm going to sit this here, though, because I don't want to throw it. It's quite heavy. Okay, so we have some more Among Us keychain things. I got these in my other one, but for those of you that didn't see them, I guess I should show them to you. These I'm not mad at all because this is actually a quite popular thing that the kids like. So I am definitely not mad at these because I can put these in the duck pond. Okay. So I'll set those aside. I want to do that last because I think I'm going to love that. What is this? A fruit infusion, natural fruit flavor pitcher. I like the idea. I don't know that it is for me that I will use it. So, let me see. Has it been used or whatever? Or what's the deal? Looks like it's perfectly packaged. So the answer is I don't believe it's been used. So maybe I'll put this in the giveaway and just disclose that it is an Amazon return. Okay. Oh, Oakley. Dude, this one's cool. Look at that hat. That's a nice one. Yeah, let me see if John's interested in either of those. We have another phone case. Not exciting. I'm not going to take it out. What do we have here? I'm not sure. Is it a tablecloth? Yeah, right? Among Us. Among Us again. I think these are tablecloths. Let me read it. Yep. It says party tab. Party what? I mean, I think they're tablecloths. I'm going to go with that. But it's a party thing for the Among Us. Again, the kids really like that. What is this? Oh, Oakley. We're back with Oakley again, guys. What is happening? Okay, let's see. What is it, though? Oakley what? Is it just a bag? Yep. It's like a bag inside of a bag. Oh, it turns into a backpack. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a backpack. Oakley backpack, guys. This will be great for the duck pond. Looks like the original price was $35. So it was on top of $30. Okay, so there's that. How'd this get in here? Joanne fabric. I can use it, but why is it just like a rogue, a rogue Joanne fabric in here? I think that there's other things aside from Amazon returns in here. I just feel like some of the stuff might be from the bins because Amazon doesn't put stickers on their stuff like that. I'm just saying. Okay, anyway, it's starting to fall. Anne Klein. So Anne Klein what? Ooh, that's actually pretty. Wonder how much these are. Anne Klein watch. It's pretty. Will I put it over my duck pond? I don't know, probably. Because I'm not a watch girl. It's pretty. Does that have a price on it? I don't see one. It says it's from China. Okay. Hey, that's cool. And then we have another one of those worm things. Again, I'll put it out for my duck pond. It's a little dirty on the face here. Other than that, it hasn't been used. So, yeah, I will just clean the face and put it out for the duck pond. And then we have another backpack in here. It's Oakley, I'm guessing. That seems to be the theme. I'm not mad at these. It's on sale for $30. The original price was $60. These are nice, you guys. I can definitely put these out for the duck pond, so I'm not mad at that. And the final thing in here is the Funko Pop, because that's the thing I think I'm going to like the most in this entire box. And stop it! Spider-Man. Oh, and I do not have this one. Look at that, you guys. So exciting. So I got something super cool in here. Let's open it up, you guys. This is definitely my favorite thing. Oh, what just fell? The stand. It has, it's like a bobblehead Spider-Man. Look at that. That is so cute. I love him. And he has his own little stand. He is just darling and probably definitely the best thing in the box. Alright guys, again, this one is on sale for $100. Normally they're $200 and they're on sale for $100. These ones are definitely a lot more underwhelming than the ones that I'm used to getting. So I might pump the brakes on getting any more for a while. But still definitely worth it, obviously. I mean, there's just a few things in here, even the sale price, that would equal what I paid for the box. So it is 100% worth it, but I'm just a little underwhelmed this time with these boxes. But usually, guys, they are a hit. I will definitely get more. Just I might pump the brakes right now because it seems like this current supply that they have is not that exciting. All right, guys. So if you're interested in getting a BoxFlipz box, I will have a link to their website in my description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my second BoxFlipz Amazon Returns mystery box. Now, for you, I knew I was going to mess up because I'm like a little out of breath and stuff, so I need to try again. Hold on.